The United States could be considering a major change for H-1B workers who lose their jobs. The Trump administration is reportedly moving toward a proposal that could eliminate the current 60-day H-1B grace period after employment ends. But there is one very important point before we explain the impact. The 60-day grace period has not been removed. As of August 9, 2026, the existing rule remains in effect. The Department of Homeland Security has reportedly moved the proposal into the regulatory review process, but a final rule has not yet taken effect. So, what is the current 60-day grace period? Under the rules currently in force, eligible H-1B workers whose employment ends before their authorized stay expires may receive up to 60 consecutive calendar days, or until their authorized stay expires, whichever comes first. This gives workers time to look for another employer, arrange an eligible change of immigration status, or prepare to leave the United States. However, the grace period does not allow an unemployed H-1B worker to continue working. Eligible workers can also use H-1B portability rules to move to a new employer when the new employer properly files a qualifying H-1B petition with USCIS. Now, what could change? The reported DHS proposal seeks to remove the protection that currently gives eligible workers up to 60 days after employment ends. For an Indian professional who suddenly loses an H-1B job, that could make the transition to another employer much more difficult. The impact could also extend to H-4 spouses and children because their immigration status is connected to the principal H-1B worker's status. Another important point involves the green card process. Some Indian H-1B workers have approved I-140 petitions and are waiting for employment-based green cards. An approved I-140 can help qualifying workers extend H-1B status beyond the normal 6-year limit in certain circumstances. But an approved I-140 does not automatically give someone unrestricted permission to remain in the United States after losing the employment supporting their H-1B status. So, is the 60-day grace period ending in 2026? Not yet. The proposal has not become a final rule. We still need to see the actual proposed regulation and any exceptions, transition provisions, or changes DHS may include. For now, eligible H-1B workers continue to have the existing 60-day grace period protection. If you are an H-1B worker or an H-4 dependent, don't assume that the 60-day period has already been eliminated. This is a proposed change, not current law.